Transitional Employment.
Transitional employment is a strategy aimed at assisting the unemployed and underemployed to reintegrate into the workforce through temporary jobs. These jobs help individuals build new skills and experience while seeking full-time employment. On completion of usually 3-month to 1-year period, these beneficiaries can move into full-time roles or may continue to enhance their skills in a different transitional role. Besides helping people overcome barriers like poverty, homelessness, transportation, and long gaps in employment, it allows businesses to engage in a return to work process. They can thus help their employees heal, return to work faster, and reduce overall spending on compensation.